Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your Chase Slate card, full guide step by step clearly. To activate your Chase Slate card, begin by finding the activation sticker on your card. This sticker typically has a phone number and a website listed for activation. If you prefer to activate your card online, open your web browser and go to the Chase website. Once there, locate the sign in option and click on it. If you already have an online account, enter your username and password. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one by selecting the Not Enrolled? Sign Up Now link. After logging in, look for the Activate Your Card link. Click on that link to start the activation process. You will be prompted to enter your card number and the last 4 digits of your social security number for verification. Carefully fill in the required information and click Submit. If you opted for phone activation, dial the number listed on the activation sticker. Follow the automated instructions provided during the call. You will likely need to enter your card number and other identifying information. Once your card is activated, you will receive a confirmation message, either verbally or on the screen. It's a good idea to check that your card is working by making a small purchase. Keep your card information secure to protect against unauthorized use. That's it. Your Chase Slate card is now activated and ready for use. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.